How to upgrade the RAM on a DELL Latitude D820. Well, first of all, let's just double check how much RAM this one has got. Let's have a look. There we go. As you can see, it's got 1 gig of RAM. Okay, so first thing we need to do is shut down the computer. Oh, I love that Windows XP shutdown music. There we go, it's shut down. Now we need to do is remove any peripherals and power connectors. Also going to need to remove the battery, which is just here. Let's remove that and stick that over there on the side. Now there is one stick of RAM underneath the RAM cover here, and there's one underneath the keyboard, so we'll do this one first while we're here. Just grab the screwdriver. There we go. Remember, when handling sticks of RAM, hold it by the side. There you go, if I turn it that way. There you go, you can see it's 512 mega RAM on there. PC2 5300S. Now I'm going to put that over here. As you can see, just here, I've got two 1 gig sticks of RAM. I'm going to put this one in here like so. Clip it into place. They can go on the side here ready for later. Put the RAM cover back on. So that's the first one done. The other stick of RAM is underneath the keyboard, so the first thing we need to do is remove this bit of plastic here. I'm going to use a metal spudger. Here we are. Pop that open very carefully. There we go. That over here. You then got 1, 2, 3 screws to undo. Let me just move the laptop. There you go. That's a bit easier for you to see now, isn't it? There you go. So we do 1 screw. 2 screws, and the 3rd screw. You've then got 2 clips here and 2 clips here, so you need to very carefully prise the keyboard out. You've then got, there we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips at the bottom. Turn it over and remove this connector here. There we go. We'll pop that over there. There you go. You can see the stick of RAM. Very carefully eject it. Another Hynix 512 mega RAM. Can you see that? Just about. Pop that over with the other one, and here is the new upgraded one. This has, like the one underneath, is also a 1 gig PC2 5300S. Let's stick it in there. There we go. Just reverse the process. Plug the keyboard back in here. There we go. Slot it in at the bottom. That's what she said. Then at the sides. She said that as well. Right, okay, then we've got to put the 3 screws back in. There we go. We do it in reverse order, look. 3. 2. 1. Just put it down here a little bit. Put this plastic fascia back on. 2 little clips here. Go in the notches here. Let's put that in. There we go. And very carefully click it into place. There we go. The RAM has now been upgraded. Moment of truth. Let's put the battery back in. There we go. Connect up all my leads and connectors. Right. Let's power on. Well, that's a good sign, it's posting. Well, we're at the log on screen. Let's see what happens now then. Oh, that's a good noise. Right, let's just prove that it's worked. And there we go, 2 gig of RAM. Well, it shows 1.99 gigabytes of RAM, but that's because it's using some of the memory for the onboard graphics. Well, there you go. Done.